like this video, do not forget to like it and subscribe to my channel.